are approaching resistance number one, number uno. As long as price breaks past this resistance and closes bullish in the next, that's a pretty strong close actually. I'm happy with that. We closed inside of it. We didn't close under it. We didn't reject it. We closed inside of it. And now I'm hoping we continue to push. Okay, so US 30 is, trade number one's done. But it's enticing me a little bit. It's starting to retrace and it's starting to reject the previous resistance, creating now support. Look at that. As long as this candle does not stay bearish and push below, I'm gonna be happy re-entering for another buy. You heard it here first, but again, we wanna see how it reacts to this zone. If it does not respect this zone and it pushes back below, well then we'll potentially look for sells on a smaller time frame, probably in this zone here. So getting ready to possibly sell too. I'm gonna just kind of play this by ear and see, but one way or another, I'm about to get back in this motherfucker. I know it. All right, US 30 is officially pushing back at our entry point for this buy position. We'll have a pretty decent stop loss here. Go ahead and retarget these highs over in this area. And let's wait though.